So I went down to my level, and I'm sitting there with my little clipboard and my pencil, and I'm standing around this cadaver, and I used the imagination technique that I saw an organ there, and I gave it a face. I gave it eyes. I gave it a nose. I gave it a mouth. I gave it hands and feet, and animated the organ in my mind using my imagination to make it more fun, to make it move and respond. And I asked the organ, "What are you?" And in my imagination, the organ said, "Well, I'm a kidney. I'm supposed to be down there, but I'm up here." So, I'm on my test. I write down this is the kidneys. And I went to the next organ. It's like, "What are you?" And I gave it a face. I gave it a personality. I gave it a mouth. And in my imagination, it says, "Well, I'm the liver. I'm supposed to be over there, but I'm here." And I put down liver. I am the only person that got a perfect score on that test and flew right through it.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and you can download a free centering exercise. The information is in the description box below.